And
You're powerful.
Another interesting thing is thoughts in and of themselves intend and desire to radiate and reproduce themselves.
Yes.
Whether they're of a light or dark, positive or negative nature is not really relevant, except for in the outcome may not be your desired outcome at that time. So trial and error, just like anything else, is required in order to master those processes of thinking and controlling what you think. I mean, you're going to have thoughts, receive thoughts that are not radiated from your highest good or others' highest good. It's going to happen. But if you replace them, reprogram by replacing, push them out. Any bad habits you want to quit, you have to replace it, or you will be back to that because it's become your crutch for so long. And I mean, we've all had them. We don't all keep them, but we've all had them. We've
don't
all,
let no mammy mentality or no slave hand mentality.
Watch out there now.